Instead of lifting your thumbs to control the switches on your motorcycle, you can now operate the high and low beam headlights, the horn, your new self-canceling turn signals, hazards, all from switches in the new revolutionary product, the Grip Ace system. You can even start your motorcycle using the Grip Ace system. We can also program other functions for you to control your LED lights, air ride systems, nitrous oxide, alarms, entertainment systems, basically anything electronic. What would you do? Go messy analog or clean digital? How cool! Even this sport bike now has self-canceling turn signals. If either brake is applied, your turn signals will go forever. But as soon as you release the brakes, the turn signals will self-cancel. Most sport bikes don't have hazards. Well, they do now, thanks to the Grip Ace system. Every bike will have hazards. When your buddy asks you to race him at the track, you can confidently say, "Sure." Little did he know that you have installed a nitrous oxide system on your bike. The switching for it is controlled by your Grip Ace system. A simple secret combination of switches will let you take off like a rocket. Get your Grip Ace system and step into the digital age of motorcycle switching. Go to gripace.com today.